po yung second big bike activity po namin for this year. No, we started last year. Hopefully, you can enjoy para ma-feel nyo po yung Honda Big Bike and ma-enjoy natin yung ride.
Show everyone that motorcycle riding is safe because this is the joy of having a Honda, portraying what safety riding is. Let us be road safety advocates. Let's practice road safety, lalo na marilaki tayo.
I am Anthony Bacolod. I use a CBR 650R. It's a wonderful experience dun sa bike kasi it's perfect whether nasa city traffic siya or nasa twisties. Ang sarap.
Hello, I'm Jonathan Opinion and I'm using Honda CBR 500R. Maasahan siya sa pakyat, pababa. Kaya maganda ang braking dahil dual disc.
Ako pala si Rosh G at saka ang gamit kong motor ay CB500X. Ready for adventure at syempre napaka-pogi nitong motor na to.
Hi, this is Earl from motodeal.com.ph. I'm the content editor and I love this Honda CB1000. It's so much different from my CB650 and I love riding it. I was about to try a 1000cc big bike for maybe second or third time in my life. And thank you to Honda for giving me the opportunity.
Hi, I'm Robert Castañas and I own a CB500X. 1 year ko na rin nagagamit to. So pagdating sa traffic, wala akong masasabi kundi stable naman, easy to handle. Sa off-road din, okay din.
Hi, I'm Al Camba, publisher of Inside Racing. I rode the Rebel 500 this morning from Sucat all the way here to JE Camp. Maybe one of the few big bikes that you can say na pwede mong i-ride through heavy traffic na hindi nag-overheat. The bike gave me what I was looking for today, which is to have a relaxing ride.
Allen De Leon, riding CB500F. Unang-una masabi ko swabe ang takbo, matipid sa gas, at the same time ganda ng quality ng Honda.
Ay, grabe. Pinahirapan agad ni sir.
Ito po isa lang sa mga marami pang ride experience na ihahandog ng Honda Philippines para sa pasasalamat namin sa inyong mga Honda riders.
Meron pang maraming mga naka-Honda bike at yung may mga intention to purchase pa yung mga Honda products. No? Muli, maraming salamat at yun, safe ride ulit tayo pag uwi natin sa ating mga bahay. Salamat.
Honda number 1.
Honda number 1.
Honda number one.
Honda number 1! Woo!